Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, August 25th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You know, the world is in absolute chaos right now, and this market keeps moving higher and higher. It surprised me, but the Dow Jones Industrial Average took off today. I mean, it was up really high for part of the day. It did pull back, but it ended up closing up 75 points. And we had a fabulous day. You know, we had over $7,000 in open trade equity on Monday, but you believe it, we closed out over $15,000 in closed out trades today. Just great. We had fantastic trades in BITA, Adept Technology, EMES, and one other. I'll think of it later. Anyway, oh yeah, CCIH. Just great trades. I mean, you know, over $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, and that's that's what we need, you know. But this market, the stock market, is just unreal. I don't know why it's going up, but it's going up. This is a bull market, folks, and people keep talking about this being a bubble. It's way over where it ought to be, and there's actually, I think, a majority of bears hanging around. But they're wrong, and they're wrong. This market keeps going higher and higher and higher. It's a bull on steroids. Anyway, enough of that. Let me show you the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and you know, this market is pretty unbelievable. You know, we had 4 straight up days back here, and then on Friday we had a little pullback, didn't mount to much, and you know, I said then that I almost wish this would pull back more because I didn't see how this thing was going to go higher from this point, which is a little bit congested. Hey, this morning this thing shot up like a rocket, and you know, at this point, this is getting very close to all-time record intraday highs. It did come back a little, but we're really flying high here, and I don't want to say what I think is going to happen, but don't short this market, for God's sakes. This is just a very powerful bull market. I'll show you just a couple of the trades we had today that were pretty interesting. This first one is in Adept Technology, and we had bought this on Friday. Look at this gap we had this morning. Now, we came back here and we got out here, and actually, if you look at that from up here to here where we got out, that's a pretty big pullback. But will you believe this? We still took over $7,000 out of Adept Technology. It was up over 10,000 up here, but of course we wait, and that's what we do. But still, can't knock making $7,000. And here, this one, this is BITA, and this thing was just like going crazy. We bought this on Friday. It's still closed pretty good for us on Friday, but man, it gaps up a little and then it just screams, and we're up here, you know, and it's closing near its high. We got over $8,000 in BITA. I mean, man, with trades like that, I don't know if you can lose. Anyway, hey, I didn't tell you, I'm sorry, I got a little carried away with my bull market, but I did want to say that we are carrying over $3,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. Now, that's not quite as good as I would have liked, because we have that positive open trade equity because of this beta trade, which we're still in. We did get into a bunch of kind of mediocre trades that aren't showing much profit right now. But then again, tomorrow's tomorrow, and who knows what's going to happen. Anyway, we are green across the board, really doing great. Closed out 15 grand, carrying over 3,000 going into tomorrow. Great day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.